Today, we're diving into the SilverStone Technology 700W power supply, a true contender in the world of PC hardware. This power supply boasts an impressive 80+ bronze certification, ensuring high efficiency and reliable performance. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, this power supply delivers 24/7 continuous power output with a 40 degrees Celsius operating temperature, keeping your system running smoothly even under heavy loads. One of the standout features of this power supply is its 100% modular cables, offering flexibility and ease of installation. No more dealing with unnecessary cable clutter. Simply plug in the cables you need for your setup and keep the rest stored away neatly. Plus, with its class-leading single plus 12V rail, you can count on stable power delivery to all your components, minimizing the risk of voltage fluctuations and ensuring optimal performance. SilverStone doesn't compromise when it comes to quality. With strict 3% voltage regulation and low ripple and noise, this power supply maintains steady and clean power output, essential for the longevity of your hardware. And let's not forget about the silent running 120mm fan, operating at just 18 dBA for whisper quiet performance, even during intense gaming sessions. Whether you're upgrading your current system or building a new one from scratch, the SilverStone Technology 700W power supply is a solid choice. With its PCIe 8-pin and PCIe 6-pin connectors, it's compatible with a wide range of components, ensuring compatibility with your setup. Say goodbye to power-related worries and hello to reliable performance with SilverStone. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.